Dear aspirants, first of all, I should extend my gratitude. Thank you very much for participating in this wonderful session of generative AI digital marketing. I can assure you that this session, after 3 hours of session, this session is not to inform you what is generative AI or what is the theoretical aspect, but I can show you wonderful things which will take you the 360-degree approach to digital marketing using Gen AI. Digital marketing normally without Gen AI is one, with AI is one, with Gen AI, which is the current trend, which you will be able to, after this session, I can assure you that you all will be in a position to empower yourself with all the tools, all the processes, all the methods that we are discussing. You all are wonderful aspirants. Your interest is really marked here, and we will ensure that we'll give our best of experience and what we have learned in and what is the best methodologies which can improve your skill in the field of generative AI in digital marketing. Right? Are you ready, all of you? If yes, please use your Q&A panel. You can write down wow factor or you can write down yes, yes.
Give any emoji also.
Yeah, you can use. I think you all are ready. Let's start. See, in the world of artificial intelligence, generative AI has got different positions, all of them. And using generative AI in digital marketing is another way of taking off the skill and implementing in any field, any operation, any corporate product. It's productive session that we are going to have. So before we start, I will take you through what we are going to practice here, what we are going to have the experience here. I'll start with what is Gen AI and non-Gen AI, what is digital marketing ecosystem, how quickly you can develop your website, and you can use your Google Search Console. You can use one AI tool, Semrush, to identify your website performance, whether the website is good or not. And current trend, which is the SEO, search engine optimization, AEO, answering engine optimization, GEO, generative engine optimization, VEO, voice engine optimization using Gen AI, how the Google has launched its AI platform today, just recently, 1 week back in India. And this is the right time where if you can learn AEO, JEO, and you will be in the front end of Gen AI in digital marketing. Google Ads and Facebook ad platform, how the difference is, I'll just take you through. AI tools for video, how to create video, how to create audio, how to create your avatar using AI. So I'll demonstrate you. I'll take you through Gen AI driven campaign, how you can do the advertisement, how you can promote yourself in LinkedIn, branding LinkedIn, how you can analyze your profile. Gen AI tools to create marketing asset. Marketing asset is like marketing properties like videos, audios, images, text, your landing page, all that. Last but not the least, I assure you that WhatsApp automate marketing workflow with Gen AI. How you can make your WhatsApp to automate in marketing workflow or maybe learning workflow, any place, maybe customer services. How you can use your WhatsApp directly interact with your customer, and it will automatically answer your queries of the customers. That complete workflow we will be learning. You will have the question and answer session, maybe in between or at end of the session, where you can put your question. We'll definitely answer it. In case of if you have any measure understanding requirement, then we will definitely address it post session. If you have any question, you can also put onto the question and answer. In the world of artificial intelligence now, everyone is talking, everywhere, wherever you institute, maybe corporate, maybe interview, people are asking what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has got one learning, which we use machine learning. If you all are the technical, you'll be understanding the artificial intelligence having a branch called machine learning, where we use zeros and ones to make the machine to understand what exactly to be done. It has got various type of learning, supervised, unsupervised, semi, and reinforcement. It has got one more learning, which is the latest learning, the deep learning. It's a completely innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. Deep learning has got various options: computer vision, NLP, natural language process, speech and audio processing. And under NLP, you can have large language model, which is like ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot. In that, we can have the generative AI for text. Together, we have a measure platform called generative. What is this generative? We understand artificial intelligence is the intelligence we are feeding. We are making the machine to understand, machine to develop the intelligence, to do the work for us. But in this generative AI is all above the artificial. What is generative? What itself is generation? How we can generate various aspects, various assets using AI. Generative AI has got the power to produce so many things, but importantly, which all are required for digital marketing, I'm going to show you. It can produce text for you. It can produce the research paper for you. It can give you the planning for your website. It can give you the planning for your learning. It can give you planning for your landing page. And that is the text generation, and that is powered by generative. It can generate any kind of images with emotion. You give the instruction, machine will give you the images. It can generate code for any kind of software development. And if you are little bit aware of coding, and this coding will help you take the exact processes and apply. It can also generate 3D AR, VR, videos, audios, and interactive systems. Last but not the least, for digital marketing, it can generate live video. It can generate any kind of video, which I will demonstrate using AI tools, how beautifully this video generation, text generation, how we are connecting to Gen AI, that how we are connecting to digital marketing. The entire generation will lead to development of your website. If you want to develop your website, that previously we used to think, then we used to plan ourselves, we write down, then we have to enter the coding, or we have to use any kind of platform, then develop the app or website or any landing page. Nowadays, in a click, you can plan your website. In a click, you can generate the text, generate the headings, and build your website or app. It can also help you in advertising assets, like advertising material, properties, we call it. What are the video or images or anything that we are posters, we call it advertising assets. And all those things are applicable in digital marketing. How digital marketing can automate. Once you automate, it will run for a year. Once you automate, it will run for months together. Once you automate, it can run for a day altogether, and you have to observe what is the result that way. This is what the power of generative. I will take you through beautiful concept. Please be with me, and here you will find how this generative AI is different from what we have been doing so. Maybe for 5 years, 6 years, or 2 years, or maybe 10 years, you have been using Google search and so many things in your smartphone or your laptop, using any kind of platform. But now the time has come to see the practically how the difference is. We will open one platform is called Google Trend. You must be aware of this Google Trend. Then I will open another AI platform is Bootsumo. What it is doing, I'll show you. Even I will also open Google search, which we usually use every day, how it is up. And based on that, I will now take you to AI model or Google Lab and how it is comparing with what we are. So now my Google Trend has opened. I want to see the performance. I want to see that what is happening in the cloud, what is happening in the internet, what is happening in digital market, because everything is now in the cloud. Everything is in the digital and digitalization, digital transformation. We have to know what is the trend in the market. To know the trend in the market, I take one example. Suppose I want to know what is the trend in the market on generative.
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yeah.
Are you guys audible? Is everyone audible? The voice?
Is
Or
it?
getting the voice? Is it audible for everyone?
You can take a question answer panel.
We can see the reactions also. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Please carry on. If anyone is not getting audio, please rejoin.
Yeah, great. See, now we are in the phase of exploring this. I'll just reiterate once again, all of you. If you have the patience to learn this and know this for 3 hours here, and I challenge you will be in a position to start your own business or start your own journey in the job opportunities. Wonderful things we are going to do. The preparation is well, and we will take it. Let us start from this Google trend. I want to know what is happening in the internet, what is happening in the world, and on generative AI. So I'm using Google Trend, and in that I'm going to understand or use a word called generative AI. It's a catchword, or you can just note down is for the keyword, and I will explore. Once I explore, and I will explore this word in India, and I will explore this word for last 90 days. In last 90 days, what is the generative AI is for its activities are happening on generative AI in the cloud. How the people are searching, how the people are using, you can see this graph. And this graph is from 0 to 100. You can see this is the scale 0 to 100. And this generative AI, it is saying in most of the people are starting from almost 30 to 100%. 100% is the maximum. Those are using the internet or those are going for generative AI kind of searching. It is performance is 100% on the basis of generative AI search. This is what the Google trend is. Let me, and this is in last 90 days. Let me compare this with another word, say digital marketing. This trend is giving how popular this words now is. And see, now digital marketing is now showing 62 and generative AI is now 12 out of 100. That means this digital marketing concept and people are more anxious, eager to know about the digital marketing, maybe learning, maybe searching, maybe finding out the services, than the generative. And remember, if we add this digital marketing with this generative AI, then it will go beyond 100. So how popular this generative AI with digital marketing, you can find out from this graph. I think you agree with me, right? If you agree, please write down "wa" in your question and answer, or yes. Let me compare with another concept which is nowadays happening, data analytics. I'm going to search for data analytics. We correct it. Data analytics. See, now data analytics it's generative AI is 16 out of 100. Digital marketing 71 from out of 100, and data analytics is 30 out of 100. And in digital marketing, without generative AI, without data analytics, we can't do digital marketing. So if you combine these three, then it will even go more than. See how beautifully people are. What is the demand? This is showing what is the demand in the market and why you should learn. It is a high time for all of us to see how quickly I can learn this and apply, maybe in my place of work, or maybe in my institute, or maybe in place of wherever I'm doing my business or any activities. Let me use another one single word, which is also people are doing data science. Data science. I'll compare with data science. Data science, see, data science is going 69%. Data analytics is going 30%. Digital marketing is high above is 71%. Gen AI is 16%. And remember, digital marketing is complete only when we use generative AI, data analytics, and in the future, once you update yourself, we can go for data science. This is the complete ecosystem, and this is what the potential we have. All of you, those who have joined, you can explore your career starting from this Gen AI, then go for digital marketing, then data analytics, then data science. Within a year, you will be expert. This is what I do. This is my experience of 25 years I've seen. If you learn these four things, you will be expert. But after this session, you will be empowered to start. Now I have used the Google Trend. I want to use another, say, I will go for Google search, generally what we are doing. I will use the same word, generative AI in Google search. See, in Google search, it is giving some kind of introductory option, and immediately it is giving you all related website address. You can see related website address. It is not giving any trend. It is not giving any more information about generative AI, but it is giving who all are the players or who all are the websites in the internet can provide you generative AI services or generative AI education or related. In the same thing, I will use another platform. It's called Generative AI mode or search lab of Google, and I will use the same word. I'm opening AI mode of Google. I have used Google Trend, which seen the trends of the world. I have used Google search. It has given the website addresses, but not much on 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 uh, on the topic. But before this, before I search this Google AI, I want to show you one more analysis, same one, which I'm using one AI tool. You can remember this AI tool. It is Bootsma. BUZZSUMA. This is most powerful tool where it can give you the what is the trend it is going on in the digital. You have to know the trend, then only you can go for digital marketing. Without knowing what is happening, how can you advertise? How you can apply your creativity? So in Bootsumo, it's an AI platform. I will use what is happening in the internet of generative AI. I will use generative AI and I will go for search, and it is searching and see. I will go for country. I'll select country as India. India, what is happening in India? I will search for India, apply, and also I will search this word for past year. Okay, last year it is there. So I'm using Sumo AI tool, And I'm using the Gen AI, which I have already used in Google Trade. I used in Google Search. I'm using here. See how beautiful it is showing. This word, how it is popular. All languages I have used, I will use, say, English. I will use English, so that it will be common for everyone. So what I'm analyzing, generative AI, how it is popular in Facebook. Facebook, it is showing 683 websites or people or the blogs are engaged. In Twitter, 3. In Pinterest, 0. Reddit, 0. Number 0. Here, see, in Twitter, you can see 590. Here, Reddit is 2. Reddit is technical platform. And here, 9. Similarly, you can see millions of websites, those are talking about generative AI. And last 1 year only, and that too only in India. Just imagine what is the total engagement here. See, this is the total engagement. Here you can see 689, 670. Why I am using this AI? Before you start your journey in the digital market, you should know what is my website, what terminology I'm using. So I'm using here generative AI, and what is happening in the internet. It is like home. We talk to our friend or we talk to our family member. What's up? What is happening? How we are planning today? Today is Sunday. So we know each other. Okay, fine. This is what to plan. Then we plan further. Similarly, once you go for the digital marketing, this digital marketing is for the internet, for the across the world, across the universe. So you should know what is happening. So I used here Bootstrap to understand how the generative AI is performing in the all digital, all social media platforms. And this is what I've just given you some example. You can browse it and see that how many of them are happening, how many websites are talking, how many blogs are talking. You can analyze the uh, generative AI, how it is used, where it is used, whether they're using for corporate or they're using for any business organization or for the education. And we have seen this moment. So we have seen the trend, we have seen the Google search, and we have seen the books. But remember, in all this, nobody is talking in depth of generative. Because generative AI, what I have used, some of them are saying, Google Trade is saying, what is the trend of that word? Google search is showing you the list of websites, those are dealing with generative AI. And Bootsuma is also giving how many websites, how many blogs, and how many comments or how many likes are happening in all social media that is. But my intelligence should what? I should know in depth of generative AI. Generative AI I'm using, I'm not satisfied with this. Then now the platform is AI mode of search. How it is? How AI mode of searching? I will take you through now. The AI searching, Google search, and from Google search, Google has introduced recently, just a week back, how the AI mode of Google search is helping us, helping the aspects. It is time taking process is opening. Yeah, now it has opened. I have gone for AI mode. In AI mode also, I will use the same one, generative AI. This is very, very important for all of us. What we have used generative AI in Google Search, Google Trend, or Joops or Bootsumo, it has given the related information about the generative. But in AI mode, what is it is giving like in generative AI, I am using AI. It is thinking. See, it is giving in-depth knowledge of generative, more about generative. types of generative, what is the work of generative, and I will use all in second different mode. Open one new window in that AI mode. I will again generative AI, and then I will go for search, and it is kicking off. It is searching the related things. See, it is giving all details of generative example of generative AI, who all are generative AI, ChatGPT, daily, all this benefit of generative AI, limitation of challenges, ethical consideration. Can you find the difference? We use generative AI in trend. It has given the trend. Google search, it has given link website. In Bootsuma, it has given generative AI in social media. But in here in AI mode, it is giving in-depth knowledge of that. Means AI mode here, it is taking help of Gen AI, which is LLM process or NLP process, natural language process, to help us finding out more details. I will use one more option for better understanding. You must be aware. I will use now ChatGPT. Let us use Chat. And here also, I will use generative AI. Let me use this and click on this. And see here, it is starting from the beginning. And you see the difference here is it is like question answers. What is generative AI? How does it work? And see the systematically organized way it is showing. Benefits, key consideration in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also AI mode, which is also generative AI. It's part of one part of it is generative AI. In that generative AI, the technology used here is NLP or LLM. This is what I can tell you. This is the generative AI platform. AI mode of Google is also generative AI. I cannot say Google search is generative. That is non-gen. Trend is non-gen. Bootsuma is non-gen. So far, whatever we have, but this ChatGPT and Google AI mode are all generative. I will. I have used all these words generative AI by typing it. And I typed it and I got it. Let me see, because now most of us using a smartphone and talking to the smartphone. Hey Google, can you show me what is generative AI? Hey Google, can you show me nearby any biryani shop near to me? This is how we interact with our smartphone. This is what the trend. Most of the people are searching instead of typing, they are searching. That's what. Why I'm saying, I'll tell you later. But most of the people have started now talking to the app, then writing. I will use same thing, same platform. One platform I use it. And I will use speaker, mic, generative AI. So it is not standing. I will once again, I will make it when generative AI. So now it has burst. And see, when I type, it has shown me the same thing. When I'm speaking to the AI mode, it is showing the same kind of things. And maybe more than that, it will show you more information than this. No, I have not typed it. I have spoken to it. So the meaning of explaining this is Gen I has overtaken the normal trend, normal process. Nowadays, we have to use AI mode instead of Google. We have to use ChatGPT instead of Google search. We have to use voice search instead of Bootsuma. So in AI mode, in this area, we have to work, and this is the area where generative AI is working. And it is very, very important to know how generative AI is working. If you have any question, you can put it, so we'll answer it. But I think this is clear to you, right? I will take you through the next process. I know generative AI now. I know I'm empowered with generative AI. Okay, come on, I use the generative AI platform. You should understand what is digital marketing, what is Gen I is in the cloud. I'm not working in the laptop, I'm not working with stone or any assets. I'm working in computer, I'm working in internet, I'm working in cloud. So to understand what is that happening, to start your digital marketing, you have to have one website. You have to develop one website, you have to develop an app, or you have to develop one landing page. How can you do that? You can use platform like WordPress, Wix, or you can use any code to develop your website. Nowadays, platforms are there which can develop your website in 5 minutes. I will show you how. Once your website is developed, the process here is you have to give a name to your website. That name you have to find whether that name is available or not. Say you can give xyz.com or abcd.com. That name has to be given and it has to be registered. How you can register? You can use platform like GoDaddy or Hostinger or Google. So many platforms are there where you can buy your website. Even free also you can get domain. So your domain name is ready. Your website development happened. Now I have to connect these two and store in a place which is called hosting platform. We have to host it because we have developed the website, we have given a name, and we have purchased the name, and I have to store somewhere. You can store it free of cost, or you have to pay some little bit amount, maybe yearly 500 rupees or 1000 rupees based on your sites. And wherever you are keeping or hosting or storing, it's called hosting platform. Once it is done, you have to link your website domain name with your DNS. DNS means it is one IP address. If you're a technical person, you must be knowing IP address is a system number. We are we are generating using zeros and ones to identify in the internet particular network, particular website. We are giving the name because computer will not understand our text website name. It has to be converted into IP address, zeros and ones. So IP address will be attached to your domain name. Domain name is attached to your website. All of them are hosting in a platform. And once is connected, hosted, I need to check whether my DNS means domain name system. And this domain name and my website, my IP address is populated across the universe or not, or only in India, because we have big servers across the universe. So our IP address, our website should be populated to all the servers across India or across the world. And once it is populated in from this DNS checker, dnschecker.org, you can know that my website IP address is now populated, then your website is ready. You can browse your website. Anyone can browse your website anywhere from the universe and see that this is what website. Once the website is ready, what we have to do? We have to register that in Google search, because people, we have seen it how people are using Google search, AI mode, Bootsuma, all that to get your information, to get your website listed in those search engines. You have to you have to register in Google search. You have to register in Bing search engine, that is for Microsoft. There are many search engines, Yahoo search engine is also there. You can register. We'll tell you how to register and where to register. And also you have to register your website in different directories like Yellow Page, Just Dial, then Business Today. It has got lot of so many places where you have to register your website or app. Then only people will come to know how people are promoting their website. This is the technique. Once you are registered in Google Search and Microsoft or anywhere, then you have to use your AI to verify. You can always use your AI to develop your website. I will show you how to use the AI. And also you can use the AI whether my website is performing well or not. What is the issue in my website? What improvements are to be done in my website? All those things can be done from AI. How? I will tell you that. Your website is, and this is what the word cloud. In website, these are the things are when you are developing any website or landing page or any market asset, properties, videos, audios. Your important, you can see that one word is highlighted, it's content. Your content should be proper. How we are posting in Facebook, how we are posting in LinkedIn, how we are posting in Instagram. We are posting one song, we're posting one dancing, we're posting one this. All those things are content. Maybe video content, maybe text content, maybe any image content. If your content is proper, your website is proper, and you have registered it proper, then promoting your product, promoting your sites, promoting your services will be easy. How the setup will happen, how my website is performing in mobile, how my website is performing in the cloud. So you have to now concentrate my content in my website or app or in my advertisement should be. And to use the proper content, we have to use keywords. Keywords is the one word we have used. Generative AI is the keyword. Digital marketing is the one keyword. Or say, biryani near me is a keyword. Or say, veg biryani near my area is also keyword. So we have to understand those keywords, those used in searching or in media, social media or searching platforms. Based on that keyword, we have to develop our website advertisement. So content is should also have the keywords. We cannot write the content as we feel like. You have to take the help of Gen AI and find what is the appropriate content for my part, for my website. How to do, I will tell. Let us develop one website quickly. So before developing, I want to use one tool which I'll be using. Say, I'll be using ChatGPT. I'm using here Chat. This is what the ChatGPT. I think you must be. And this is the link. If you don't know, you can type chatgpt.com. You have to create your account, username, password you have to give. It has got free version as well as it has got paid version. In free version, you can do so many things. In paid version, it is advanced, which we have taken the paid version to show you, and you can later do that. But paid version having more advantages than the free version, which I will show you how it is. Plus, I will use ChatGPT. I will say, hey, ChatGPT, hi. I will say, I want to develop a website on generative AI. Should be keyword based, popular for students to learn and take the services. This is what I want to do it. You don't know anything to start website. You know, okay, Wix is there or WordPress is there, but you don't know how to start your website. So I also don't know how to start. I have given the instruction to website to ChatGPT, and please share a robust plan for my website. Got it? I have given this instruction. This instruction should be very, very specific. The way you talk to your some children, how we are talking. We have to talk politely. We have to talk very specific to the point. Please do this. Please don't do that. That is what the child is saying equal to the chat. If you type something here and there, chat GPT will give you wrong information. This is very, very important. Note down in your notebook. We have to ensure that ethical use of ChatGPT and the instruction that we are giving to the ChatGPT should be proper, should be very specific. This process of doing this, entering this, all this is known as prompt engineering, which we will know in various workshops that in future. But prompt engineering is the art of giving the instruction to AI platform or Gen AI platform, like in ChatGPT, to get the best. I have given this instruction, and now let's see what ChatGPT is. He's saying, "Oh, that's an excellent initiative. Let's develop a robust structured website planning." How beautiful, huh? Website objective and position. It's saying how you have to position. Primary goal. What is the goal of your website? This is the what goal. See, what sentences and words they're using, all are keyword. Keyword means if these words are used in the cloud, internet. If I use something different, then nobody will be able to, or the Google search will not able to understand. It will not register, it will not index, or it will not rank our website. How positioning? Positioning means it is a terms of marketing. Your gateway to mastering Gen AI, learn, build. This is what it is giving the slogan. You can your gateway to mastering Gen AI, learn, build, and create with the latest AI tools. And this you can use it in your website because this is generated by LLM process with the Gen AI process with ChatGPT. You can use Gemini. You can use Copilot. You can use DeepSeek. You can use Grok. So many platforms. Target audience. This website I'm using for whom? Who all are? Target audience will be students, young professionals, academic project. Okay, very nice. So I got this target. Needs and pain points. What is the pain point? What I'm going to solve through this website or my advertisement or my app? I want to make the learning very simple, simple jargon AI learning. I want to make very as now the Mamekam is also doing for all of you. See, we are interacting friendly and it is very simple to understand. Technology, we have to make the simple process. Simplicity of the technology is the best way that we are providing. And you should also adopt. Simple jargon, hands-on practice. So you can find this website structure. What you're saying, you will have one page, home page, you in home page you will have heading, subheading, then your description, all that in home page what you have to keep, then another page, learn generation AI, another page, because website will have number of pages: home page, service page, product page, contact page, gallery page, or your testimonial pages. So many pages. So home page is one page, website is comprises of number. So it is giving you the detail of different pages. It's very simple. You have to copy it and paste it. That's all. And blog page. So it has given some 5-6 pages about us. And it is saying also what keywords used in this website. And you need to use. These are the words you need to use when you are developing. You cannot develop your website or your app or an advertisement as you think. Yes, after practicing for a year, once you are master in digital marketing, then no need of taking the help of Gen AI or any chat. You can type. But now I have to use, because these are the words used in the trend. If you use these words, then only your website will get populated. Otherwise, your website will not. You got it? Okay. Use the long tail keywords, because nowadays people are, those are not aware, they're saying, please share me the biryani shop which is serving vegetarian and mutton, chicken biryani, delicious chicken biryani. It should be hot and it should deliver me within 5 minutes. So people are talking like this to your apples. So if your people are talking, that means the voice keyword they are using, and this is called long tail keywords. If I'm using biryani near me, it's a short term keywords. Remember this. So nowadays people are using long term. That's why it is giving you use long tail keywords. We have to be very descriptive and technical design. Once your website is developed, once you have used the content, we have to technically ensure that my website is user friendly. My website is accessible instantly in my smartphone. My website is very fast. The moment I type, it should come. These are the things technical. How to do, I do. So I got the planning here. But now, how I'm going to design my website. Okay. So to design my website, I'm taking you to one platform. It's called Wix. You can use Hostinger, you can use GoDaddy, you can use even Canva, you can use so many platforms. WordPress, if you are little bit experienced, then you can use WordPress for developing your website. I'm using your Wix because Wix is very friendly and very easy to start. That is what. Okay, I have opened the Wix. I have created the username password. Already I have logged in. You have to register. That's all very simple. And you can see the site. You can see sites. And here you can see create new site. Can you see this place? I will click on create a new site. I want to develop a website. Okay. Now I click create new site. I want to develop because I have to develop the website first. Then I have to name it. Then I have to buy an IP address. Then I have to host it. Then I have to check it. So everything will be done in Wix. You can buy your website name. You can develop. You can connect to your IP address. You can check, and your website will be out. It has got three options. Start from blank canvas. You have to start from zero. You should be little bit experienced than you. Start from template. Template means it has got ready-made website platforms where you can use it and just change your product. But here you use generate a site structure with AI. How AI can help us in developing the website. I'm using this. It will ask you some mandatory information which are important because once you develop your website, you should not correct it again and again. So I will type what type of business type business. Okay, I will use here. What's the business type? It is educational. I'll say. Okay, educational. I'll just say describe your business. See now, here describe your business. You don't know anything, and what to describe? Immediately you go to your ChatGPT. I have already given and asked, hey, describe my business or website, website, and it will give. Okay, it is giving this. You can restrict also. Whoever you can see description should be keyword based and within 500 words. I'm giving the prompt, and it is see it is SEO based and within 500. I will take this. I will copy this. Product. I will copy it. Go to Wix and paste it. I paste it. Choose the site's main service. What is that? Sales product and services. We have already done sales and product. That's all. What is the name of this business? Name of this Gen AI schemes. What is this business located? India. India. Okay, I'm using Indian. Who is the target audience? Target audience, again, you go to GPT, you can see in ChatGPT, here it's given already audience, content plan, long view, community, blog. Where is that audience? Primary audience. The primary audience is this. You copy this, go to this builder and paste. It's all important. Okay. What makes this business? Suppose you don't know what makes this, copy this and go to ChatGPT, ask this. What makes this business? You'll get idea. Okay, what makes us unique? Is saying student centric, practical. We are ready. We are ready to focus on the real world projects. Integrated AI services for students. I'll use this. Say, this is the focus area I'm using. And I'll focus. How simple and how beautiful it is, you see. I use this. Very simple. Integrated AI services for students. What are the main goals of this site? Main goal, suppose you don't know. Again, you come here, copy this. It will give you the lot of ideas to start with, you know. Just I copied it, I copy this, come here and ask, okay, I will say goals, goals within, 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 within 200 words. Even if I type wrong, this Gen AI platform, LLM platform, ChatGPT will understand what I intend to write. You know, this is what our goal is. At your brand name, all that you can read it. You can approximately it will be there. Copy it and paste it. Because here it is giving you have to write within 1,000. So you can give the instruction to make it within that. Choose the tone of the voice of the net. Tone means whether you are playful or you're friendly or you're respectful or you're angry. You cannot be angry. Okay, you should be neutral. You should be professional, confident. What is that? I want to make my website confident. I'll use confident. Okay, I use the confident. Then continue. I continue. What would you like to generate? Visual sitemap overmap or visual sitemap? So what is the difference between these? Use AI to generate a site with on-style layouts, eliminate elements and custom content. Here, use AI map to map out the structure of the site, pages and sections. That means, if you want to use this, it will have its own structure, site pages and sections. If you use here, it will generate its on-style layouts. Like we have to correct it sometime. Or if you want to use the AI to map out the structure of the site, then you can know the complete structure. In that, you have to add some kind of keyword. Difference is only the presentation. So I will choose visual sitemap, start then, and wireframe, where you can see the complete template, how it is generated. And this is how it will give you the platform of your C. This is what it is generating. Which is generating, is loading, and this is what it is showing, some kind of example templates. I will show this once it is completed. It is still creating, loading. It is showing how you can impact the website using different type of effects, colors, videos, images, all those things that it is generating automatically based on the instructions we have given, and it will create the website. But in the meantime, let it create the website. One more point I wanted to see now, it's almost generated. Sitemap and Wi-Fi. See the difference. Okay. Analyzing the site info, and it is creating In the meantime, let it create. In the meantime, what I will say you, once this website is ready, we buy our IP address. Here only we can buy the IP or the domain name. Once you buy your domain name, IP address will be assigned. Then you can see a click publish. Once you publish or in the term, the process of publish, we have to assign the name of this website. Still generating and designing wireframes and layouts for us. It has generated because the internet is slow little bit and it is taking time. Once this website is ready, and we have to check whether this website is perfectly developed or not. Remember this. We have used it. We have used the platform. We have developed it. But after development, we have to check whether this website is developed well, performing well or not. That is next step which I'll tell you. But let us see how it is developed. I've given a lot of content and it is taking time. Okay, let that to take time. In the meantime, what we can see, once we develop the website using Wix, Hostinger, or any platform we are using, we have to use another platform which is called Google Search Console. Okay, this Search Console will give us a platform, and it is introduced by Google company, and which is linked to the Google search engine. What is saying, if you have developed your website and connected to IP address, in search here, search in my console, and I will let you know what is the status of your website. What is the status of the website means, let me see, I have opened the console, but before that, let me see whether Wix has developed it. Yes, Wix has developed the layout. Okay, this is the main page layout. Okay, this is the sign up and login page, store page, members area. This means it is giving the details of your website, home page. This is the home page, and this is the main page, and we can add page, and you can have these pages, sign up login page, store pages, site chart. It will take time, so I'm not doing it because we have to see others. Here you can add new page also, blank page or dynamic page. We can go for a blank page. Let's see what it is giving. Blank page, it will give us the page to develop. And I want to see my website. Okay. Review as test site. I want to see test site. I'm asking whatever I have entered, using that, you create one test site, and I want to see, allow this to this test site. Do a test site. It is showing the test site. How my website will look like. This is what it is showing. This website is a rich place. It will definitely take some time to do this. Okay, let that to happen and develop its own way. Here I tell you, whatever website you are developing, you can see here 3 marks. How your website is looking in desktop. how your website is looking in tablet, how your website is looking in mobile. This also you can click and you can see how, see, this is your website. I'm just showing the skeleton of the website. Okay. And this is your website, and it will look like in your app. In your this thing app, your website will look like, you can add section, different section, and the preview also still going on. It's taking time. Okay, this is what I can show you. The other model of, I have not given any data here. I have given only the skeleton. I have given so that you'll be able to understand how the, and you have to enter the information. I will go back and I will use one side which we have developed. This is what we have developed, one website which we will ask you to. No, we will go for one side. Say my side, or one side which we have already developed. Side, then go to edit side. You can go to edit site the same way. Here also you can do the same. This is what your website is, for the website what we have developed it. See, this is what we developed it, and it has now updated. Unlock your creative potential, explore the world of generative AI. Okay, then get started. You're saying, and here is a picture. It will come. If you want to see your say programs, program page. These are the pages. These are the pages created. So you can see the pages, and you can edit also. Here I'm in editing mode. I have developed this for demo. You can see that demo pages. You can edit. Suppose I have developed this, I want to edit this. I have to click here, double click, and then I can change Gen AI. Got it? So in this way, you edit it and publish it. If you want to see this, preview it. There is an option in preview. You can preview how it will look in my website, how it will look in my laptop, how it will look in my mobile. There is an option here. You can see my website will look in. So in this way, if there is any difference, anything, you can change in the desktop mode, so that you can develop your website which is well suitable for desktop as well as for smartphone. And this is what we developed it. Here, this is your page, another page, educational page. These are the page detail. We clicked on programs. So program page it has given all courses, live workshop, all that. You need to add further. The join our community today. It has done it's all automatically. I am showing you without any color so that you can start from here and slowly you can improve. Here is a login. You can give the provision. Here you can see all the options. I think this is what you can use the Wix to develop. Will not take much time. I think this is what given the clarity on the development of the website. But here we will see now how my website is performing. Whether what website I have developed is performing well or not. I'm using Google Search. How to use the Google Search Console? You have to go to website and you have to write Google SES Search Console. You have to click on Search Console, and you can see Search Console is here. Click on Search Console. You create your username, password, and start here. And you have to register your website before that, which I'm not taking much time. How you can register? You can go here, add property. You can go to Google search, then add property. If you go to add property, once your website is ready, you can type it here, www.mamekam.in, or you can type it here also, say www.ichange.com, and then you have to register. It is not taking because we have to write HTTP, all this detail, then only it will ask to continue. If you continue, it will take some process, which I'm not taking it because it take much time, which we will learn in the course time. And once it is registered, this process is very important. Once you have developed your website, your IP's address is there and website name is there, we have to register in Google search. This is what the Google search. Once you register, you will get your website name here like this. Here, this is very important. You should know. See, I have HTTPS, I have HTTP, I have iChange. iChange.com is the main website parent, and these all are the sub you can sub website, you can say. If this consists of all these things. So once you are registered this, and you will get all of your websites, which we call it in different range, with secured website, non-secured website. So you get. Once you are registered in Google search, once select your website, you can see the performance of your website, how it is. I will see what is my performance. It's nice how it is giving. It is saying in last 24 hours or in 7 days or 3 months, total number of people clicked on your website is 10. See, this is 10. Total of number of impression, like how many of them have seen our website, not clicked. Okay, fine, this is what website. Okay, that's all. Not clicked any site. It is giving this. Average CTR, click-through rate. That means if 151 people have visited, if 10 out of them are seen, the percentage is 6.6. And this should go up. If this 6.6% is going up, that means more people are watching your website. More people are browsing your website. Okay, before this, I want to know how many pages are there in my website. It is a live. It is a live, you can say. This is not demo, or this is not we are showing for any this thing. We have taken the iSense website and it is showing these are the pages, number of pages this website has, and it is giving the number of pages. And you can see which are the countries people are searching, which are the devices people are searching this website. But before that, let me show you one beautiful things. I'll go to the pages, and in pages, this is very important. All of you note. I have registered my website in Google search. After registering, I have seen my performance of website, how many people are watching, how many people are clicking, how many people are just having the impression. Why not is 100%? Why my CTR is 6.6? That means there is some issue in your website. See, now I have total 17 pages. Maybe pages, a landing page, all that. And out of 17, only 7 indexed. That means Google has identified only 7 pages which are proper and which is the crawling by Google, indexing and ranking. What does it mean? When you are typing something in your Google search, you can see number of pages. What is the number of pages? See, one website will come on the first page, first line. But some other page, even though it is very good website, it will come maybe second page, third page, or maybe first page, 10th number, 12th number. Why? because the first page, first line, the website which has come has ensured that all the pages are indexed. This website health is 100, more than 8. And here the problem is 7 index, 17 not. What is the reason? It's saying why pages are not indexed. See, those pages are not indexed, it has listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. You can see all pages. And if you click on this, it will tell you what is the problem in that page. What is the problem we have in that page. Okay. So in this way, you can learn. We are short of time. We have to go further. Then we have to see that. Same thing, Microsoft Bing Webmaster, you can see. And before that, you can also see for Google keyword search. And this way, you can understand your website designing. I'm taking it a little bit faster because we have very short time. We have a lot of things to show you. So many beautiful things are there. You can browse yourself, the performance, you can see everything. You can see the sites, you can see what is the issue, and then it will give you the impression what kind of error it has got and how to rectify this. Now I have opened Google Ads, and this is the platform where we can do the Google advertisement. Any advertisement in the Google, if we want to, we can open this Google Ads. Once you open the Google Ads, you have to create a username, password. You have to give the credential. But here you have to use one account. You have to create one account. It may ask you to enter your credit card. It may, or you can go for demo site, demo account. And if you are using credit card, it will not take money from your card, but it will be authenticated. You can use Google Ad perfect. If you are not using your credit card, that will be a demo piece, not the practice. You won't be able to experience the complete potential of. In this, why I have opened this Google Ad. Here I want to browse something which is very important for us. Keyword, campaign keywords. The way we have used the Google Trend in Google Ads, you can go to keywords, click on the keywords, and it will open the keywords page, and it will ask you, no, I have to go to the main page overview. Okay. And in that only I have to use the audience and keyword tab. Is asking to create this campaign. I will use campaign, in fact, direct. Okay, so I will explain you this when we are doing for campaigning, which we don't want to go for. And this Google Search Console, once it is ready, we have to now go for Google Search. We have to understand before we go for keyword search, we have to understand now what is search engine optimization, what is generative engine optimization, what is answer engine optimization, what is voice engine optimization, what is local engine optimization. Search engine optimization is that we have to configure our website under SEO section, where it will ask you to name your content, name your pictures, name your images, so that Google will index your page. Google will understand and it will index your page. same way, here you can also develop the Google local SEO, which is Google business profile, to promote your website locally, maybe in Hyderabad, maybe in Bangalore. You want to promote your shop, then you have to configure this. All these things are to be configured in your website under SEO, remember. But SEO we can configure and local SEO also we can configure. But nowadays, our attraction here is Gen AI. Because Google and all other search engines are generative based, we have to configure the GEO, EO, BO. All this configuration can be done in SEO. What is GEO? GEO is saying generative engine optimization, where people are asking longer, what is generative AI and its application? People are searching. That means we should have a page in our website, which we should have the page with long question and answer. The moment people are asking for such kind of keywords, long tail keywords, then your website will give the answer. And that is because of Gen AI. And we have to configure in this. Similarly, AO is answer engine. It is for the short question answer. What is Gen AI? What is application of Gen AI? So if we want that short question to be answered for the search, the people those are searching, then we have to have separate page in the website which we have to enter. What is Gen AI? Application of Gen AI? Question answer. Question answer. We have to type it and put it in that page. After putting that page, we have to configure in SEO. That's all. This is what advanced. Same way in VO, what is happening? VO means it is a conversational. Hey Google, can you show me who all are the institutes near me are providing generative AI? This way also people are asking. But how your website will answer? The website which has got separate page and also configured with conversational words. The way people are asking, you have to enter the question and you have to answer it. So GEO page, AO page, VO page, we have to do it in our website and we have to configure an SEO so that it will respond to your GEO, AO, VO search, and your website indexing, your website ranking will go up. Otherwise, your website will not. And that is very important in digital, which is called organic way of promoting your website, app. This is what very, very important you have to understand. And GEO, AO, VO is the main topic that we are covering in this session. One more important thing which I wanted to introduce here before we go for Google Ads and keyword concepts. You can know more about your website. To know more about your website, and this is what the link you can use Semrush. In Semrush, this is an AI tool. We have to go fast. AI tool in the Semrush, you can use this tool. You say one website, AI change.com, and search. You can write down the website address. It's semrush.com. And you can get this paid version, free version, or you can get a website where you can get a lot of packages, lot of AI tools you can get within 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. You can use SM.free SEO tools. You'll get this web tool also. In this, I have given, and it is giving more information than Google search. Authority score 2. That means my website is not performing well. It should be more than 78. What is the backlinks? Backlink means how many other websites are linking to my website. Okay, I want to see more on my website, how my competitors are doing. Say, my website is this. I will add one competitor, say udemy.com. You click on this, compare. See now, these two websites, iChange.com is not performing well, but udemy.com is performing well. Because see the data, it is showing. See in Udemy, Semru's rank is 2.8 thousand and authority is 79 out of 100. Mine is 2, but it is 72. I'm just showing because you can compare it. So that means I have to improve this website. But in Udemy, 17 and out of 100 means it's performing very well. And Semru's rank, Semru's has got its own rank, is 2,800. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, if you count, it is in the place of 2,800. Organic, how many people are visiting organic show without any payment? Keywords, organic keywords, 2.5 million. All the details you will know, you browse it, you will come to know and use it Semru's better. Okay? I'm not going in depth because we have, if you have time, then I will go into detail. We have to cover up other subjects also. I will now go for a beautiful concept. Fine. Audit. Now I will take you through very interesting. If you have any question, you can put it and we'll answer you later. I will now take you through some very, very interesting tools. AI tools to generate videos, to generate the avatars, to generate the advertising videos, advertising pages. So the most popular and most very aggressive tools are Synthesia. Runway ML. Runway ML is the more powerful tool for animation. Descript is for your video audio editing. Canva is for normal use of advertisement. Adobe Creative is more powerful. It has got more powerful features where you can use and develop your advertisement. It has got be different. So let us start with Synthesia. I will go to Synthesia. I'm a little bit faster because I have to cover up so many things in short time. If I get time, I'll cover up whatever. This is the Synthesia website. In this Synthesia, you have to use your username, you have to create your credential, use your password, login. It has got two versions. It has got free version, it has got payment version. I have taken payment version so that I can show you, but in free version also you can do whatever I'm doing, but for limited. What we can do? This is the most powerful AI tool for Gen AI tool. In fact, I can say it's a Gen AI tool because it will produce images, it will produce avatars, it will produce so many beautiful videos, advertisement. In this, you can say videos, and you can say selfie avatar. I created selfie avatar. Now, I want to create one avatar. I'll go to avatar. I logged in. I will create one avatar of mine. You can also create avatar of your. I want to create avatar, create an avatar, personal avatar. Okay, you go to create. This is the personal. This is customize. Customize means it will give you exactly what you are. It will take more money, but here I have purchased it for all of you, to make you understand how to create avatar, create an avatar, personal avatar. Okay, so this is one avatar. It is speaking now. It is not much. I will go for next. It is asking two options. It is saying use your webcam or upload a footage. Upload between 1 to 5 minutes of video recorded with a camera or smartphone so that it will create your avatar. And you can use the webcam also. Record yourself. Let us see, record yourself. I have to read this so that it will record. Start record. Join me as we create my app. When I talk, I'm encouraged to use natural body language, but I am sure to keep my hands away from my face. Before I start, I take a moment to sit into a positive state. My energy increases, my eyes are more open, and I smile as I read the following script with passion. When I sit into a positive state, I show the camera my best self to turn into of our. I'm going to tell you a few facts. Did you know that your brain is your body's own power plant? It can generate up to 25 watts of electricity, which is enough to power a small light bulb. Modern science now tells us exercise is not just for your muscles, it also does wonders for your brain. This means that when you are jogging, you are actually sharpening your mind. Now I'm going to look at the camera and pause momentarily. Before I proceed, I reconnect with a joyful feeling as I perform the following positive statements. There is energy in my voice. My tone is engaging and bright. She laughs every time the breeze tickles her nose. We are thrilled to see everyone enjoying the new changes. This is great. Can you believe we get to watch the sea from here? It's such a pleasure to work with such dedicated and joyful colleagues. Fantastic output. Could not have done it without you. Seeing our project come to life makes me incredibly happy. Get ready to be part of something that will make you go wow. Imagine the impact we can make with this revolutionary idea. We are on the edge of innovation and the possibilities are endless. This opportunity is not just big, it's monumental. Let's make history together with this thrilling new project. Submit record. I submitted my recording to this. Can you hear this?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, I will try this also. I will try. Internet is slow. And upload between 1 to 5 minutes of video recording. Upload, browse file. Uh, Production section. Okay. I will use one file. Say, this file I will use. Open this file. Okay. Mm, yes. internet is slow. It is not taking. I will create. Already recorded this. Next. Okay. Okay. I will do one thing. I'll do one thing. I will go for, say, of stars. And I'll go for videos now. Let's see. I want to develop the video first, then I'll go for Avatar. Okay. And new video. I want to use one. See this one video, it will create. I will use create with AI. Okay. I want to use the objective. I want to use audience. I want to use language. I want to use speaker. I want to use tone. Okay. Drop or upload clip is not required. I want to objective. I have already the objective. This is what my objective I have given in my ChatGPT, and I'm putting the objective here. Audience, I will write down students. See, I'm developing one video with Avatar, then I'll create the. Okay. Then language English, speaker. Okay, a sales expert I can say. Tone is professional. And script, write a page script. I want to develop a script. I'll come to ChatGPT, develop a script for video art on ebook. It is developing the script. Okay. Only script. Description of script. Art. Okay. This is what the description. I'm taking it, copying it, and putting it here. Okay. Then student everything. Create video. It is giving all details of the video settings. See this first video, it will give the script. What is the script in the first video, second video, third video? All these are now making it section wise. First video will be this, script will be this, and call to action. It is creating its own video and continue in editor. System is slow, it is taking time, but it is doing it. Now I came to the editor mode. In editor mode, you can see the first scene. If you click on the first scene, and this is the text for this. This is the second. This is the third. So first scene, I have taken this avatar. In click on the second scene, I will change the avatar. Click new speaker. Suppose I will choose one after one more after, say, I will choose for this video. For this video, this avatar, this video, this, and for this, I will use another avatar. Say, I will use new speaker. Say, I will use one more here. So you can see the changes. Similarly, I can change here also. I can do one more avatar, and then I can use one more here. And if I want to change, I can also change the text. Okay, say Mamekam. I'm going fast because we have so many things to show, so I'm going fast. But I think it is understand. You can understand this well. These are the 5 slides I have, right? And I want to examine one. And click here, you can see how it is. The avatar is talking on there. I'm testing this. Okay. If I have to second also, you can check, test it. Okay. So in this way, you can test everything. And if you want to change the body position, you can change, you can keep it here. And if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size here like this. You can also do all editing here if you want. And you can also upload your videos. Suppose I want to change the video background, I can change this video background. I will remove this and I will use this. I will use this and I will use this. I can do this. I can change this, make it small, and I can keep this way also. Okay. Okay. This is how I can design. And you can check. Yeah, the video is working. And this video also, if I have change, or here I have to change, copy it, go here, paste it, allow. You can also change, move this, and 2 others we can take, and I put it here. Let's see how it is responding. And I'm showing only to see that everything is working fine. I'm making it here a little bit visible so that you can see everything. It is done. Okay. And if you want to change the text, also you can change text here. You can type and you can change, but I don't want to change here. Then I will go to generate. It will take 5-10 minutes. I will generate. That's all. Generate. And it is taking 10 minutes process. So it will take 10 minutes time. In the meantime, we can see some other platform. Let it take 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will show you one more, that is Adobe Creative Cloud. It will take 10 minutes to produce that, and you can see the video, then we'll compare after. Creative Cloud, we can have Adobe Firefly, Adobe Express, Adobe Premium Pro. This is for text, video, and 3D animations. You can use these 3D and 2D animations, and you can also take it to Synthesia for development. And once you go to adobe.com, you can see Creative Cloud. You can register, you can username, password, credential can be created. It has got pay improvement, it has got free, and I can click on these all apps. It will show you the all apps. In that all apps, I'm going to use one, that is Adobe Firefly. In this, I want to generate using, say, text. I want to use generative AI, develop a student inside 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 the classroom, sitting and concentrating onto the learning environment and teaching. This is what I want to create a image. Okay. So general. I have given the instruction, I have given the promotion, and I have prompted it, and it will now generate. Now it is generating image. I think you can see all these things, and it is taking time. In the meantime, it will also take, because graphics work will take time. Here you see it has given the sequence. You can also change from here. Graphics will take time. It has created. And now if I have to download, I have to click on download, it will download. Or we can see this. Click here, download. I'm not downloading because it will take the bandwidth. Okay, let us come here. You can check the artwork. You can edit this. If you want to edit, click on this, and from here you can generate video also. And you can create the social post also. Create social post. Let me check 1 minute my mouse. Let's start. Your image, and from here you can see that the social media. I have created the image. From here directly you can go to the Instagram square page, Facebook post, or YouTube thumbnail, or YouTube video, or Instagram. I can go directly, I click, then I can go to Facebook, and then you can post. Here it's a place to generate, and we have done it. If you want to change something in edit, you can edit your colors, change theme, you can change the theme, you can change the background, and you can animate also. You can add animation here. You can do different type of animation. Now the video is ready. I can play this video. The video is playing because I have not given anything, so but video is playing. And I can add audio also. Add audio. Click on add audio and say I will use one audio. I can audio, I will increase it, and then I will play the. You hear this? This is how you can add more audio into it. You can also add upload from video devices. You can add one picture, say this picture I want to add. Then you can add this picture also this, or this. You can add media, or you can use media. You can record your voice and then create it, or you can choose any other effects of, say, I'm just giving one example, or I can add this starting from here. Can you hear this? And I can, okay, this is not required. I can also go for generative AI. Here you can generate your templates, add your templates, or you can generate your other videos, generate videos. You can zoom out or zoom in. And this is what the video terms that's used here, which I don't want to use now. I want to remove. I want to use the template. I can use the template. On this template, okay, we can generate the template. Same way you can add it. Let's see how our Anesthesia has done. Anesthesia has already done it. Generate 10 minutes. We have started processing it now, and it will be ready in few minutes. Okay, it is ready now. So it's downloading. 2%. In the meantime, we go to Fireplay. We'll use this. And once it is ready, video, you can download this. Click on this download, and here you have to choose whether to download video or JPG. Suppose I will go for video, MP4, and post is not required now. I will download it and click on download, and it will download. Okay, I'm not clicking because already Synthesia is doing it. Let it happen. Graphics will always take time. Now it is downloaded. See, I will open this file. Show you just example, and I can play. See whatever we have developed, and same thing it is coming. And this video, you can use it for any purpose. You can experiment with so many items, and you can get more information. Okay. Synthesia is already completed 21%. Once it is completing, then we will go for others. Here, imaging also, you can generate image or background in another image. Suppose you have one more image, and referring to that image, you want to develop something. So in that way also you can do it. Upload image. Let us upload one file. Upload from computer. Say I will go for one production. Say I will go for some photographs. That is easy to use it. I will use this and click on this. Okay. In this way, you can select and it's still uploading. Yeah, it's uploaded. I want to remove the background. This picture. Remove background. I'm using the Adobe, and it has got, see, now the image has been removed, and you can generate the background also. Generate the background, say hills, and click on generate. It will generate background for you. Whatever it is understanding, based on that it will create. And graphics, it will generate automatically. And this is what the beauty of Gen AI. The platform itself is Gen AI, because it is understanding. See, now I have given hill. Sometimes it will give you something background which may not be relevant, but you can keep on trying and see that what is the best object which will suit our background. Okay. So this way, once it is done, you can download it or you can convert it to video, audio, all that. So now Synthesia is 22%. Because internet is slow, it is taking time, but otherwise it would have been done. Okay, I think it is ready now. Synthesia publish. I will see how she's talking now. I am not text I had given. Now this avatar is talking. It was still. Have you got it? Is it clear? This is without avatar. Okay, got this. I can create the self avatar. This is the avatar created mine. I will say uh, create with uh, rivers and hills. Is creating the avatar of my picture with the instruction what I have. It will take some time, and this is what we have seen. This also we have seen it. This is also, we have seen it. And we will see one more in the app. All apps. Still creating. It's taking time. In the meantime, I can show you other. These are the apps. We have seen Firefly. We have seen Adobe Express. I will show you this Premiere Pro. Let that to open. I think Synthesia still it is doing. Still it is taking time. I'm opening. Say I'll go to home. I will use the create button. Otherwise, I will go 1 second to the okay. Labs. Yeah, it has opened now. This is what it's opened. New project. You can go to new project, click on new project, and you can give this new project any name, and then you can start. New project is done. Here I want to take one video. Say suppose I will take this video. Or I'll take a little smaller video. Or I will upload my computer desktop or search for here. You can search your folder, production unit. You can take one file, then import. Okay, and now you see I got one page where I have imported this video and this video. This is what the panel. You can see V1 is this one. What I'm V1 is one panel for one video. I have used this video. You can also always you can remove and take it to other panel. See, I can. This is the video, and this is another way. Okay, and say this video I'm putting it here. No problem. And this is the audio. This is A1 audio. This is the audio. For this video, this is the audio. That means video you can edit, audio also you can edit. And for this audio, this is the video. And I'll do one thing. I will keep this along with this. I can move this. Okay. Then I have two videos and let's play here. If I play here, it will play. Now it is playing. Okay. You can also drag this. You can take this. So what you can do, you can, once you created your video, then you have to put your video here, audio here. You can edit your video audio, or you can mix it. You can have multiple videos and make one presentation. See, suppose these two video I added and I want to download. So what we do download, how to download? Once it is done, you have to go to export. Go to export. And it will ask you, where do you want to store? I have given one story. Then once you export, and it will export. And it is now export. And it will take some time. It is giving time. And after this, your video, audio, and video editing, video sequence is done. Once you develop the video in Synthesia or image in the Adobe, bring it to Pro. Bring it to Adobe Pro. Here you can combine all these things and make one final production. This is what we have done, right? In the meantime, we'll see whether our avatar is created, avatar is not created because of internet speed. It is because of the speed only, it is taking time. Otherwise, may can create immediate. That we'll see once the speed is more. So I think this is clear to you how you can use Adobe AI or Adobe Express Premium Pro to develop your video. Coming to our important factor here, because time is a constraint, we have to see two things. Here, I given create with reverse and heels. Now it hasn't. It has taken much time, but it's clear. You see this. This is the avatar created for my picture. If you want to make video, we can make video also from out. And this is the, we can create video from here or we can download. So we don't want to do because of the bandwidth. And now we will close this and we will try to again develop one avatar, create avatar once again. I think video is not taking because it is already used by our broadcasting. But we'll try to upload some message, upload some video. Next. Upload. I will use some video. Say, what is the short video? This is what the short video. 22 MB. Let us see. It is uploading. Let that to upload. Let that to be there. Once it is uploaded, then it will come, the next will come, and then we'll find it, because it is not taking. Okay, we'll leave this here. Once it is uploaded, then we will come here. Okay, in the meantime, we have seen these videos of Synthesia. We have seen the AI-based video, and similarly, you can do the advertisement. Avatar, self-avatar we have created, but another avatar from video also we created. And Adobe Creative Cloud also we created. In that, we have created text to image, then text to video, then create the video, create the text, take that to premium, add that, and you can edit it. All those things can be, you can understand, you can learn in detail once we choose that platform to use. So now, as we are going and having less time, I will take you to some other chapter, which is very important, which we don't want to leave. And once time is provided, now we'll come back here. But before that, I just wanted to know, once your video is ready, your website is ready, then you can go to Facebook or you can go to Google to advertise your product, to pay and advertise. SEO, AEO, GEO, all are organic. But here it is not organic. We have to pay, then advertise, the Facebook and Google Ads. These two we will definitely see. But before that, we want to see what is the options are available in Google Ads. Google Ads, you can see, if you go to Google Ads, and this is the social media Facebook ad. These two ads platforms I will open for you. I'm opening Google Ads. I'm opening here also Facebook ad. It's taking time. So it is still uploading. Once it is uploaded, then only it will. Now I have opened Google Ads. In that ad, you have to create your account, as I already shown you before. And if you want to really promote it, and you have to add your credit card, and then you can create. Once you go to create, it will ask you what to create, campaign or asset. Asset is your advertisement. I want to create campaign. In campaign, you can see the options here. You can see the options. What options are available? We can go for sales. That means our advertisement will bring more sales. We can go for leads. Leads means how the people, those are watching our advertisement, how their conversion is happening so that they can buy our product, buy our services. So we can take the people, those users, those are clicking on our advertisement to our website so that they'll get more information or the payment link, or ad promotion. This will get more in detail engagement and registration for the app. Like you have an app and you have some registration form, you are asking the user to register all the details. It is awareness consideration, where it will create the only awareness. And if you have the local business, you can choose this. And if you don't know anything, which is the performance-based marketing in Google, it is saying, you can choose create campaign without guidance. You will choose a campaign. Click, and then you will get these options. And this option is Performance Max. Performance Max will determine, the Google itself will determine how and what content to be displayed and when. And that will take some time, 1 or 2 days time, or 1 or 2 advertisement, where it will learn how the promotion is happening. Then it will use the same logic and promote your further advertisement. See, these are the things are there, which we will take it to the next, then continue. Add product. Product is required, right? Want to enter all the information here, and I want to add the budget, value, everything. And create the advertisement, and then go to performance I have chosen, then go to continue. And I have created performance. Okay, the next, in this way, you can create your Google advertisement. In the meantime, I just wanted to show you the same way of how you can promote the social media, Facebook advertisement. This is not required. And here, Google Ad is now doing it. Target per action. I have given this information. Select all countries, or your advertisement should be in India. It is all menu driven. You can just go one by one. You can see the next. Then you can give your URL, your website address, www.mamekam.in. Okay. You describe your product, everything. I have done it. Then generate asset. It will generate the advertisement for you. Then it is saying campaign optimization score. The campaign that we have chosen is 94.2%. It will perform well. And Google will do everything for you. It will give the advertisement in YouTube, or it will give the advertisement search console, or it will give the advertisement newsletter, or in some other places of any other websites which all are linked to Google. Okay. Asset name or details we have to mention. This is having problem. Okay, all the details we have to enter here. Once we enter all the details, then if you press next, it is saying daily how much you have to pay, 1,000 or 9, or you can choose this. Once you click this and do it next, your advertisement. So this is the way, just I have shown you. I don't want to put it because I have money in it and it will start taking the money immediately. But always we can configure per day. I want to spend, say, only some minimum amount. I can go for custom, and here I can use, say, 100 rupees minimum. Then it will spend only 100 rupees from your budget. Then once the budget is set, we can go and pay next. Once you pay the next, your advertisement. The same way, Facebook is also work. Facebook will also work in this way. It has got the same process. Go to the create, you go to the Facebook advertisement, use your username password in the Facebook, and sometimes you need to create the page, the Facebook, and using page only we have to advertise in Facebook. Or you can also advertise your posts, daily post, what we are doing in Facebook. In the same way, in Google, in the same way, you can see awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. It means if you want to create your products or service or website awareness, you choose this. If you want more people to come to your website, choose this. Or if you want more people to interact with your website, you choose this. Or if you want more people to buy your product, choose this. Or if you want to promote your app, various people should download or access your app, you choose this. If you want sale, transaction, direct transaction, choose this. This is the only difference. I'm not going in detail of this. I'm just comparing this Google and Facebook in the same workshop. It is not possible to show everything, but we will definitely extend this for future courses. Now, before I close this Synthesia, because it has to be uploaded, then only I can create. See, now it is uploaded. Good. Congratulations. See, I uploaded and it uploaded. Now, next is I click on next and the browser is taking time. It will create avatar for me. Okay, let it take some time and go to the next. After 2, the passcode is this. Okay. I'll copy this passcode, copy it, and start recording. It is now recording. My name is Sivananda C. This recording will be used on the Synthesia platform to create digital avatar that looks and sounds like me. The passcode is 1-8-4-7-4-9. Biometric consent, it is taking authorization because you cannot create avatar for anyone. That will be illegal. So that's why it is all processes are there. Submit the uploading your footage. This will only take a moment to develop. Let's see how it is developing. I don't know how it is going to develop. I've taken the video. All done. Your avatar should be available tomorrow. See why it is tomorrow. Definitely, I'll share all of you because saying, see, selfie avatar is created immediately. But if you want to create our avatar as it is, it will look like me because I have purchased this only for you. They will take machine learning processors, big servers to process it and then put it. And you will get the exact avatar. So it is saying to take some time and it has given the details here. It is generating 1 day remaining, minus 1 day remaining. Let's see, we'll see if it can be created before we close the session. We'll leave it and we'll see the avatar will be created similar to these photos what we have. Okay. Now as we have seen the avatars, self-avatar, this avatar creating in Synthesia, image creation, video creation, and all video, audio mixing in Adobe and image creation from the text. And we have seen this advertising platform for Facebook as well as the Google Ads. I want to show you some important things. That's why I'm a little bit hurry, which is very important for all of us. Then I will come back to whatever 1 or 2 things I left it. If time provides, then I will cover it. Any keywords that we have already seen in the ChatGPT as well, we have already seen in BoothSumo. So keyword is nothing but only the generative AI which has to be entered or any keyword, you will see the popularity. That is the same thing we'll give like this keyword, which I don't want to show. If time provides, then we'll definitely go for this keyword. Okay. Or Yeah, the keyword. Works. The same word. You click the keyword. Negative keyword, positive keyword, all that we have to delete, and which I don't want to waste your time right now, because this you are already seeing in ChatGPT as well as in Google search and AI mode. I want to go for a very important concept of Gen AI, which is very, very important from all of you. LinkedIn will come back. And you all should know this. It is very important for all the students to know this. How I can make WhatsApp to enable with Gen AI, and then you can convert that into WhatsApp automated messaging system. Suppose you are having one service or marketing department, sales, post sales services, or you are having one learning environment, and you want to give the access to all the students or all the clients to know about the product, know about the services. And you have configured your WhatsApp in such a way that, and you have given the link in your website, people will click on your website or in your advertisement, and there is no app to be downloaded, or there is no other chatbot to be downloaded. Directly from their WhatsApp, they will interact with you automatically. So I have created one WhatsApp number. You can see this number. You can note down this number and try to add it in WhatsApp right now, so that I will show you how it is working, and I will show you how to develop this. Then you can interact. Okay, have you noted down this number? Durga, can you ensure with some chart? Durga,
Yes, sir.
can you just say this to ensure that they are no registering in WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. We can see that.
They
Guys,
are doing.
if anyone has registered or if anyone has saved this number, please give me a reaction.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So now we will learn how to do this. So to do this, we need few things. Very important. We need our WhatsApp, whatever WhatsApp number we are using in our mobile. This is what mobile WhatsApp we are using. And I'm using this WhatsApp number. And what number I have given you, this number is with me. And you can see this number is with me. This is the WhatsApp, this thing. This is the WhatsApp number with this number. I've configured it. But before we see this, we'll see how to do this. This is very, we need WhatsApp. We need one AI tool, which is called Twilio. You can note down, you can keep a record of it. Twilio account. And we need to create one WhatsApp business number, which I've already said the number with you. And I've configured in my WhatsApp, which is international WhatsApp number created by Twilio, apart from your WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number of the service provider. And I'm providing service, and you will ask me to this WhatsApp number so that you will get the service. And then I'm using the Gen AI platform, which is Open AI account. Then I'm using another AI tool, which is Jasper, and then personal WhatsApp number, which we have on. How to do this? How to ensure this automation with generative AI? If you're technical background, it is very easy. If you're not technical, then don't worry. There is no coding is required. There is not very much strenuous, because it will take some time to understand. And once you are interested, then definitely we'll take class for you, separate classes for you, so that you can know, you can apply in your organization or any place that you are working. You need to have personal WhatsApp, which we have. Then we need to have linked in open. We have to link open AI, which is of ChatGPT. This is LLM, Gen AI platform, which will guide our WhatsApp number that we have created, and it will guide our WhatsApp to answer the queries of AI. Need one more AI tool account, which is Twilio account. We have to register in OpenAI. We have to register in Twilio. We have to obtain the username and password. After password, username, we will get SID number, token number. Then we have to create the WhatsApp number in Twilio, which is international number, which I have already shared with you. Then in the same Twilio, we have to create a messaging service. What messages that we want to share with our clients. Then whatever messages that we are going to say, it is a one format only, one small format that we have to fill. I am going to share my product services details to my customer. That's all. And we have to get the approval from Facebook, because WhatsApp is part of Facebook. And that approval will come within 5 minutes time. So Facebook will understand, yes, this person would like to use for his business, and this is the template, and they are using WhatsApp to use. Because if the approval is not there, people may misutilize. People may use this for different purposes. And there is a Government of India's guideline also that it has to be approved by Facebook, so that people will not violate the uh, data protection Act of India. So this is what very important to ensure. That's why Facebook is asking for approval. Once we get the approval within 5 minutes, we have to create another AI tools record, which is Jasper. In Jasper, we have to create jabs. That means we have to give the instruction what you need to do. What we need to do here, we are giving instruction that please use my WhatsApp. And you create one WhatsApp number which is already created in Twilio. And the messaging service is also created, and which is linked to OpenAI. Now it is linked to OpenAI. And OpenAI is now linked again to the Jasper. When anybody is accessing my WhatsApp number, which I have created in Twilio, and asking any question, then it should answer automatically. There is no human intervention in this. You can say, your question should be there, how it will impact. See, suppose you are asking about Gen AI, then it will not depend. OpenAI, ChatGPT will not depend on anything. It will answer you. Suppose you want to answer about your product. Your product is Gen AI based product. Your product is to module some engine, and this product having 2 years warranty. This product cost is this. The product configuration is this. All details if you have, all the details can be uploaded to Jasper, and when the people are asking, it will search that place and it will take the result and give the answer to the WhatsApp. If it is not getting the answer from the sheet that you have uploaded in Jasper, then it will take the help of OpenAI. Even though if our answers are not properly arranged and the customers are asking so many questions, then OpenAI will take the details from our sheet of question answer. It will frame accordingly our instruction and it will give. See, if you type to whatever account WhatsApp number I have given, if you just type and ask what is Gen AI, then you can get the answer immediately. So once this is done, once this configuration done, and it will connect to our Twilio WhatsApp, and then our WhatsApp is now connected to across the universe. You can access our WhatsApp from any WhatsApp number which are present across. This is real. This is what we have real. This is not we are giving any demo. This we have done it. And this is what we are showing. If you want to have your specific product details, then we can have a separate sheet for it. If you want to more filter, more refined way of replying to your queries of the customers, clients, or your students, the trainees, then we can have one more level of ChatGPT or general prompt-based general GPT connectivity. And if you want professional way of replying it, those companies like Google or Microsoft or AWS, those are using the WhatsApp message, automated message. Whatever you ask, it will reply automatically. Then we have to configure vector-based embedding. This is a lot of processes. It's not so, it looks very high, watts, but once you do it, it will be very easy. How to do this? We will now see. I will open first, will remove all other unnecessary consoles from here so that we can also I remove this, also I remove this, also I remove this, also I remove this, also I remove start, this also remove this also. Okay, now I have to open Twilio, TWILI or Twilio. You have to log in this Twilio account. You have to create your username and password, which I have already created. It may log in directly. Once you use your credential, this is what the credential is asking. I'm using my business account. Okay. And this is the process you need to follow. Verifying, then continue. I'm opening Twilio AI tool. This is used for automation. Verify. Success, then continue. It is continuing. Now open. I will open AI. See, this is very important now to understand what is OpenAI. www.openai.log. OpenAI is LLM or generative AI, which is working behind your ChatGPT. Once you use this ChatGPT, who is managing this? This is what the OpenAI, which is managing this chat. So I'll not go to ChatGPT now. I'll go to OpenAI. Open the OpenAI right now. I have purchased this. I have paid some amount and purchased it, which is you can use it free of cost also, but with some limitation. And this is what the OpenAI is now creating. And it is open. And this is what the dashboard of OpenAI has got huge application. You can use for, because this is the Gen AI part. You can use the automation is the maybe 0.01% of the OpenAI application. Anyhow, we have the dashboard where you can see all the details, but very important that once you create your OpenAI account, very important part is that you need to generate API. API key means application interference key, which will be generated by OpenAI for your situation, so that other person cannot use this. So ensure that when you are opening OpenAI, you have to use your credential, use your account, maybe free account or maybe paid account. Then you generate the API key, which is very important because I already have generated API key, which I'll show you. I will not show you more, but these are the API key I have created. I copied it and kept it in my case, this API I can use in automation. So I have opened Twilio. Twilio is open now. And this is the Twilio homepage. And this is the API open AI open. I have to open one more AI tool, which is Jasper. Zapier. Zapier is another robust AI tool which is used for automation, complete automation. You can do automation for WhatsApp, you can do the Messenger, you can do the automation LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, so many things you can do. But I'll show you how to do WhatsApp using Twilio. Then here is Zapier, and here is OpenAI. In OpenAI, I have created the keyword, I have taken the API key, and Zapier, I have also logged in as my username and password. This is the Zapier window. This is the Twilio window. Because I'm repeating the same thing, you should understand how the technology, how the sequence is. I will repeat it once again. But I have opened Twilio, I have opened Zapier, and I have opened the opening. I will remove this one. Start. Now, in Twilio, I have to create one WhatsApp. I already told. Okay. Zapier account. Now I have to create one international WhatsApp. How to create this? I will go to account dashboard. Then from here you can see message. You go to message. In messaging, you can go to senders. Okay. Message means we have to send, right? We have to send from WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp send. I've gone to sender WhatsApp. Here I have already created, so I'm not creating, but if you want to create, you can use create new sender. Click on this and it will create one WhatsApp number for you. And this is the number I already. And then as already told, I have to get the service, message service to be open. Go to service under the messaging and you create message service. I have already created. I'll open it and show you. Very simple. This is only a few details we have to, what is the name of the service and what you are going to do with this service. I have given engage in a discussion. I've entered it. So I have created the message services. I created the WhatsApp number. Now I have to integrate. Got my point. I have created the Jasper. I created the OpenAI API, API key number. I have now created Twilio. I have created WhatsApp number in Twilio. I have created messaging services in Twilio. And I got the approval. Once you create, it will go for approval. Then in this message services is very technical, very, very technical. You have to choose send a web because Twilio is a platform which has got your WhatsApp and which is linked to the complete internet. In that, we are selecting here in message service that once if someone is sending some information from its her or his WhatsApp to my international WhatsApp, then you go for webhook. Webhook is an option. We are giving instruction to the system. Check that you use this webhook technology to take that message and hold it. Keep that. You have sent the message, Twilio has received that message, and it has taken to the send webhook technology based platform in that. And kept it. This is the work the messaging will be done. What will happen next? Then next, we will go to Zapier. In Zapier, I have to create jobs. Jobs means assignment, instruction. One instruction is one job. Second instruction is second job. So I have to create, you press create, it will create job, but I have already created. I will show you what is that job. Very interesting. You can see this job, all menu driven, there is no coding required. I have created one job. You can also create job from here. You can see create job, you can create, but I have created, and once you create, it will open the same window which I am going to open it. It is now opening the job, and here I am utilizing the flow. Very nice flow. Okay. See what is happening. Somebody has sent the WhatsApp message to my international WhatsApp message that I want to understand about Gen AI. Then Twilio received that message and connected to webhook. Now that Twilio is now to be connected with Zapier. In this section, the first flow, I'm connecting Zapier to the Twilio, saying that if you get any message, take that under webhook technology and send it to me. Zapier is asked in this. Then that message will come from Twilio WhatsApp number through webhook technology to Japan. Now the message is now in Japan. First row is over. First step is over. Next, it will ask OpenAI. Hello, Mr. OpenAI. I got a query from my customer, and he's asking, or she's asking, what is generative AI? Will you be able to help? And Zapier will send one query to ChatGPT. And this is what I have configured here. Zapier will connect to OpenAI. OpenAI will take that and it will use its LLM model, it will use NLP model, it will use generative AI. This is what you have to understand. What is generative AI? Generative AI will understand what is the query asked by the client or by the student or by the customer. It will analyze that because it is model already developed. And you have asked what is generative AI, it will search and then it will generate the text file. Okay, generative AI is to produce AI-based text, video, all that detail, and it will frame. It will say, yes, I am Mr. Japier, my text is ready to your query. What should I do? Japier will say, okay, please send me back. That's the third flow I'm utilizing. Then after OpenAI send back to Zapier, Zapier will see if it is 10 pages or 5 pages or unnecessary informations are also provided by OpenAI. So it will request OpenAI to filter it out. I just need 4 5 sentences. I don't want more. Then we are doing the filtering. Then if you want professional way of answering it, then I'm putting another level of filtering. See, as I told you, if it is about generative AI, this filtering will work. Suppose it is about your product and services, Gen AI doesn't know what is my product. So here I have to create one job or web flow where I will attach my question answer here. That's all. So if you want the question answer to be replied from this sheet, it will go to sheet, or OpenAI itself only will generate the answer. We filter it. After filtering, and finally you will get the text message. Look, this is what the filtered message of your query. And you can see the configuration. You have to drop down, which will take time to understand, but it will not take much time if you go for this learning. I can ask Mamekam issue, so they will definitely. After this process, it will send the detail back to you because WhatsApp message came from WhatsApp and it has gone to Twilio, gone to international WhatsApp number. It came to your Zapier. Zapier received that message. And Zapier taken the help of generative AI, that is OpenAI used. See, Here, instead of OpenAI, you can use Gemini also. You can use many LLM portals are there, LLM models are there, generative portals are there where you can use. Because I'm using OpenAI, which is the robust, so you can, I'm demonstrating, but you can choose any other platform also. Once the text is ready, answer is ready, the Zapier will send that message to Twilio. Look, this is what the answer for your. Then Zapier will send that message to Twilio. Twilio will send back your WhatsApp. See, whatever number I have given, in that you ask now, what is, do you know, do you know, Mamekam dot in? Let's ask. Now it has gone to Twilio, then Twilio sent to Zapier, Zapier sent to OpenAI, OpenAI is working on that and filtering, it is taking time. Yeah, then now the answer is, yeah, hi aspirant, here is the answer to your question. Yes, Mamekam is a town in the Tamil Nadu, India, it's showing, because it is something which is not known to OpenAI. OpenAI will understand generative AI, but OpenAI will not understand Mamekam. So what we need to do here, I have to add one seat here, and about Mamekam, I have to add seat so that it will take the details of Mamekam. This is the only difference. Okay, suppose I ask generative AI, and question mark. Let's see what it is answer. And this is what we developed with what I'm showing you. It's not false. And it is done. See, it's given clear answer. Generative AI system capable of creating new content such as text, image, blah, blah, blah. It used in the. You can also try from your mobile right now. In WhatsApp message, you can. It is taking some time, or it will take some money from my account, but doesn't matter. You can test it. Once it is done, you can get the message. And this is what the flow you can build for any of your application that you want to make. This is what flow. Once again, you can look at it. We have given the message from WhatsApp. We have taken the help of OpenAI, then Twilio account, WhatsApp number, then create a messaging service, get the approval, Zapier account, create the job, and create the job book, and connect with Twilio, and then connect with OpenAI, then again back to Jab, again to Twilio, again Twilio will send the result to your WhatsApp. If you want improvement, like Mamekam details, you can add one extra sheet. If you want more refined way, you can add one more technology in the OpenAI, which is general. It's a configuration. There is nothing to do, nothing to code to be written. And if you want professional, then we have to add vector, which I am not added here, but which is advanced course. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Okay,
other question?
sir. No, sir.
Thank you so much, all of you.